Dear students, so in continuation of our parts, that is elimination reaction. Elimination reaction. As a part of what? MSc chemistry, that is the MSc organic chemistry semester second. In previous lecture, we have been completed the two topics, that is electrophilic addition reaction, nucleophilic addition reaction. Here we are discussing the elimination reaction. So here we have in this part of other part of the syllabus E1 reaction, E1 CV reaction, that is sorry E2 reaction, and what E1 CV reaction. So what is the E1 reaction? E1 reaction, it is called as or we can say this is the alpha elimination reaction. This is what 1 2, as you can say beta elimination reaction. Beta elimination reaction. This part of E1CV reaction. This part it is belonging to the Huffman exhaust. This is only a Huffman rule, that is called as the Huffman elimination reaction. So that is Huffman elimination reaction, that is known as the Huffman rules. Here that is it is belonging to what Setzeff rule, or we can say this is the Zetzeff rule, it is also called Zetzeff elimination. This is what both it belongs to both Setzeff as well as Huffman. Most important, Setzeff as well as Huffman rules. It obeys. So we are discussing the part of here the E1. What is the E1 reaction? What is the E1 elimination reaction? And what here E2 elimination? Why this E1 reaction is called as 1-1 elimination, and that is alpha elimination, as well as E2 elimination is known as beta elimination or 1-2 elimination. Here we are discussing the part of E1 reaction. If we are having this is the types of the carbon atoms which are having this is the 2 hydrogen and 2 halogen atoms. For example, if you can take this is the basic condition, the reaction is takes place basic condition, the types of the base AlCKOH, alcoholic KOH. Whenever we use this is the aqueous KOH, the aqueous KOH is used for this is the substitution reaction. It is used for the substitution reaction. The basic condition, then what happens? There is formation of what? X atom. There X atoms is going to the formation of what? Carbon ion species. Formation of carbon ion. In next step, what happens? This loss of this hydrogen atom is lost on the same carbon atom. This same carbon atom, it is also called as this what a geminal. So this is the geminal, and this halogen atoms is attached to what? Alpha carbon atom. So that's why we call this is the alpha elimination is there. Again, why we call this 1-1 elimination? Because of this hydrogen atom is lost from here. Again, this halogen atom is lost by the heterolytically bond is cleavage and formation of what? This carbon becomes to what? Electrophilic in nature. That's why we call this is known as what? Dihalides. This is the carbene. It acts as an intermediate. This is called as the reaction intermediate. Intermediate. On the same carbon atom, we lost 2 hydrogen atoms. On the same carbon atom, we lost the two hydrogen atoms. We lost the 2 hydrogen atoms. That's why we call this 1-1 elimination, or it is called as what? Alpha elimination reaction. Instead of CH2H2, in the particular reaction, we take this one X, means what one first reaction we can take. This is the dichloromethane. This is the name of this here. Dichloromethane, it is treated with what aqueous alcoholic condition, that is what AlC, alcoholic condition, potassium hydroxide. Then what happens? There is formation of what? This chlorine atom, and here this chlorine atom, and loss of this chlorine atom by heterolytically bond cleavage, and then formation of what? This is this hydrogen atom is lost. When we lost this hydrogen atoms, it becomes toward the one chlorine atom and one is what, another is what, so that is another chlorine atom is here. We lost this base having tendency to take the proton. It is a proton acceptor. So remaining part is chlorine, chlorine, 2 chlorine and 1 hydrogen atom. Again this minus H plus is here. Minus H plus. So what happened here? In previous example, here one of the mistake is there. We haven't taken this halogen and this one is halogen. The first one example we will repeat. First one example, that is the general reaction, we will repeat here. So this two halogen to hydrogen, this base having tendency to take the proton and it become to the word carbon ion. This halogen and this halogen is as it is. When we lost this hydrogen atom, then formation of here excess. This is called as the this is the carbene, formation of the carbene. So that's why this two hydrogen atom is lost on the same carbon atom. That's why we call this 1-1 elimination. On the alpha carbon atom, that's why we call this sort of alpha elimination. So here, if we are having this is a specific reaction, that is the dichloromethane. The starting reactant is the dichloromethane. So what happened? It is reacted with the alcoholic KOH. It is used for the elimination purpose. Have a tendency to take the proton, then formation of this carbon ion. This chlorine as it is one of the hydrogen atoms here. So we take this the two possibilities here. We lost this chlorine minus Cl minus negative. Again this lost hydrogen atoms. Here A root is here, and if we are to design this, the B root is here. So loss of this hydrogen atom minus H negative. So now here formation of this chlorine is as it is, this hydrogen is as it is, and this carbon become the carbene species. Again here, this hydrogen atom is lost. And then formation of what? There is a 2Cl atom is here. Again, this carbene becomes to what? This carbon becomes to the carbene species and act as a electrophilic in nature. It acts as a electrophilic in nature, and it is known as the dichlorocarbene. This name of the example, it is called a DCC. In short form, it is called a DCC, dichlorocarbene. So this dichlorocarbene, it is a reaction intermediate. It is also reaction intermediate, and we call it the 1-1 elimination or alpha elimination. Why we call it is a 1-1 or alpha elimination? Starting from these types of the carbon, this types of the carbon is the same carbon. As we can say, this is the geminal. This is the geminal carbon atoms. Geminal halide. As you can say, this is the geminal halide. When we lost this chlorine, 2 chlorine atom, then formation of what? Here from A, this lost this chlorine, and here formation of these hydrogen atoms. Okay, this is known as the carbene. It is called as the carbene, and this is known as the dichlorocarbene. So this is known as what? Dichlorocarbene. On the same carbon atom, we lost 2 atoms or group of atoms. That's why we call this 1-1 elimination or alpha elimination. Why we call this alpha elimination? Because of these types of the carbon is alpha carbon, because of the 2 hydrogen atoms present on the same carbon atom. That's why we call the 1-1 elimination. Same carbon, this carbon is alpha carbon से हम यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन एटम्स और हाइड्रोजन एटम रिमूव करते हैं, एलिमिनेट करते हैं, इसीलिए हम इसको करते हैं अल्फा एलिमिनेशन, 1-1 elimination. So again, if we are having this part of this is the Seltzer elimination. अब यहाँ पे हमें देखना है कि Seltzer elimination क्या होता है. Seltzer elimination, it is the part of the beta elimination. It is the part of what? It is the types of what? Beta elimination. So we are discussing the beta elimination. So that is called as the A2 reaction. So A2 reaction, in the second way, we are having the 1,2 and this is known as the beta elimination. So we are discussing the part of what? The beta elimination or A2 elimination or 1,2 elimination. If we are the starting reactant molecule is what? Alkyl halide. Starting reactant molecule is alkyl halide. It is reacting with the basic condition. It is reacting with the basic condition. If we are having this what? This compound is what? And this is halogen atoms. This one I can take this is the CS3 atoms. Here hydrogen, here CS2, and this one is the CS3. So this is a alkyl halide. This alkyl halide having the 2 two types of the carbon, three types of the carbon atoms here. Actually, two types of the carbon, primary and this one is secondary carbon atom. So look here, these types of the alpha carbon and this one is the beta carbon, this one is the beta carbon. And this is treated with the alcoholic condition, that is the alcoholic condition base. It acts as the base having the basic in nature. So whatever, this alpha and this one is beta. So we know that this is the alcoholic KOH. It is the basic in nature, having tendency to accept the proton from the beta carbon atom. So the condition for the elimination reaction, beta elimination reaction, as you can see, sets of elimination is order. It must be the beta carbon atom and which are having this present in the hydrogen atoms. So this is the condition for what beta elimination, as we can say, Seltzer elimination reaction. Reactant should be alpha carbon. Reactant should be at least one hydrogen atoms on alpha carbon. This is the condition for the beta elimination or Seltzer elimination. So here we are discussing the part of this is the beta elimination and the Seltzer elimination, as you can say, Seltzer elimination reaction. So whatever, this basic in nature having tendency to take the proton from these types of the carbon and from these types of the carbon. If we are to A and this means we are treated to B, so root A and root B. So whatever, by root A and by root B, whatever here, these types of the carbon, this is the halogen is as it is. So this is we can go this A root, we can go for the A root, this CH3 become to CH2 negative charge H, this is CH2 and CH3 as it is. Again we go through B root, then this CH3 as it is CH and this CH negative charge, this X atom and this is the CH3 atoms. There is formation of two types of the carbon ion. This types of the carbon is called the primary carbon and this types of the carbon is the secondary carbon. So whatever, this carbon ion, this formation of carbon ion, loss of this X atom and this is the, it is shifted toward this carbon carbon single and bond, loss of this X atom, then formation of what? There is formation of what? This is the CH2 double bond CH and this one is the CH2 and this is called as the CH3. So this formation of what? 1-butene. Formation of the 1-butene and another types of the product is obtained. This is the formation of what? 2-butene. So this is the product is possible. Two types of the product is possible. This 1-butene and 2-butene. It is formation of 1-butene is obtained 20% and this 2-butene is obtained what? 80%. So as you can say, this is called as the regioselective product. Regioselectivity is obtained as a part of the stereochemistry. So starting reactant molecule from this order secondary butyl halide. If we are having the secondary butyl halide is reacted to the aqueous condition, alcoholic condition, so this tendency to base having upset the proton and it becomes the two types of the carbon ions, basically this is primary carbon and secondary carbon ion. When this primary carbon ions is shifted to this carbon double, it is formation of carbon double bond, and here it is again secondary carbon formation of the carbon double bond. There is two types of the product is obtained. This is called the position isomer. ये 1-butene होगा, ये 2-butene होगा. This 1-butene is the minor and 2-butene is major. So these types of the reaction is called the beta elimination reaction, and as we can say, this is known as Seltzer or the Seltzer elimination reaction. So this product is obtained as we call this is the stereochemistry. It is called the regioselectivity product. So this is called the regioselectivity product. So if we want to, this is another types of this Seltzer elimination, and if you want to the Hofmann rules, as you can say Hofmann elimination reaction. अब यहाँ पे हम Hofmann elimination reaction की बात करते हैं. Hofmann elimination reaction में तो यहाँ पे देखना है कि less substituted. So this is the two hydrogen atom is here. Less substituted, so more substituted. As you can say, this product is obtained. This is the more substituted. This is called as the more substituted, and this is the less substituted. Is in the Seltzer elimination reaction or Seltzer elimination reaction. But whatever in the Hofmann rule, it is opposite. Just like the Markovnikov base and anti-Markovnikov base, so same thing, same phenomenon is here. So if you are in starting reactant molecule, this alkyl halide, so the more substituted in as in part of the Hofmann rules. अब हम यहाँ पे Hofmann rules की बात करते हैं, तो ये major रहेगा. Is in the Hofmann rules, it is the major and this is the minor. So whatever, this is the less substituted. As you can say, less substituted product alkene. Less substituted alkene is a major, and this is called as what Hofmann elimination rule. As you can say, Hofmann elimination reaction or Hofmann rules. So this is the two different things. As in the starting of this lecture, I have been told you. In the starting of the lecture, I have been told you what happened in the E1, what happened in the E1CB, and what happened in the E2 reaction. So this is applicable for the Seltzer elimination reaction. This is applicable for as you can say this Seltzer beta elimination reaction. This is called the Seltzer elimination, and this is for the both elimination types of the reaction.